Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to add audio files into a CapCut project on iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open CapCut and choose the project where you want your audio. This is where your video and edits will sync with the sound. Next, tap the Audio button at the bottom. This opens all the sound options like music, effects, and your own files. Now, select Sounds. This section lets you browse built-in sounds or import your own custom audio. Look for the folder icon. This is where you access files stored on your iPhone, perfect for adding personal music or voice recordings. Tap Select from Device. This lets you manually pick an audio clip instead of using CapCut's preset sounds. Choose Import from Files. This opens your iPhone's storage so you can locate the exact audio file you need. If your file isn't showing, check Recent or Browse Folders. This helps if your audio is saved in a specific location, like Downloads or iCloud. Once you find your file, tap Open. This confirms your selection and gets it ready to add to your project. Finally, hit the plus symbol. This drops the audio into your timeline, perfectly synced with your video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple tech guides.